Standard place settings on your countertop with the EdgeStar Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Standing just over 17 inches tall, this compact countertop dishwasher has a low profile that fits comfortably under most cabinetry without permanent installation required. Now take a look at the features of the EdgeStar Countertop Portable Dishwasher. Digital control panel with LED display. 6 standard place setting capacity. Includes dish rack, cup shelf and cutlery basket. Holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. 6 wash cycles, heavy, normal, light, glass, rinse and soak. Delayed start feature and time remaining display. Child lock function. Stainless steel interior. Spray arm for extended durability and quick connect adapter for most kitchen faucets. What are customers saying about the EdgeStar Countertop Portable Dishwasher? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbuydishwasher.com.